Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Maisha here with BluSaffhire Creations, and I just wanted to take a minute to share with you all my obsession with Jesse James beads and the fact that I really need to stay off of their website because I keep spending all of my money. I work hard and I give it all to Jesse James beads, and so I need to do better, but I wanted to share what I got. So I got these beautiful Love Cube connector charms. They're 18 karat gold, super cute. They have the word love inside of them, and they have this little rhinestone on the corner. They are super cute. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with them, but they're simply amazing. Wanted to share those. I got this super cute glass bead set in Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It's a multicolored set, and you know, God made the rainbow, so I'm very oh my god, I can't open it. I don't know if it has tape on it or what. I just can't get the thing open, but oh, there it is. I love the rainbow. Love the rainbow. God has put some beautiful colors in it, and so I really love it. Although this doesn't have the exact colors that match the rainbow, I thought it was a really pretty set. Somebody help me open this. I can't see the tape. Okay. So, here we go. I got it open. But look how pretty those are. Now, when I think about these, I can totally see mixing these in with some pearls. It would be so pretty and shiny and just absolutely lovely. I cannot wait to work with these. So I got a couple of those. I got a couple of the Royal Blue Majesty Imperial Jasper bead set. That's these. And boy, when you look inside of them, it looks like a little ocean inside of there that has gold flecks in it, but it's really pretty. It's like chips, and I have a feeling that they put them together with resin. They're absolutely gorgeous beads. And then I've got the Chocolate Bliss Imperial Jasper bead set, which is these. Sorry, my throat is scratchy. But you can see better the chips inside. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I think they shaped it with resin. I got this really pretty high tide glass. No, not this one. This one. Really pretty high tide glass bead focal. And the website is actually all sold out of these. I thought about getting another one because I thought this was so pretty, but they're sold out. Then we have the ombre bead set in Oceanic Mother of Pearl. It's a spacer. Look at that. So it's like dyed Mother of Pearl, this pretty teal bluish color. Then we have the Rising Tide Mother of Pearl bead spacers in this ombre effect, which you can probably just, all of these that are ombre, I feel like you can just string them just the way they are, and they would be quite lovely. Same thing for this one. This is a Peachy Mother of Pearl spacer bead set, ombre. These majestic, royal blue glass classic bead strand. Isn't that pretty? So with my business called BluSaffhire, that fits in quite nicely. That's very pretty. And then we have the ombre glass bead set in Atlantis chips. These are wonderful to look at. You just can't stop looking at them. The shape is unique, very cute, And I only got one of these, and I really feel like I need to go back and get more because I really love them. They're very blingy and shiny, and I can see incorporating those in various designs. So if you want some of those, you better grab them now, because I think I'm going back to spend more money with Jessie James beads. Okay, so now I have the natural lace agate pendant pair. These are cute. Like, they're unique too, right? So this pair you can tell goes together, and then this pair you can tell goes together, because they're though they're all unique, you can tell which ones actually were cut together and would go together. Very pretty. The pink glass mosaic focal beads, very pretty. I think they still had some of these on their website. The Morning Glory resin focal bead, I almost feel like this one was off of the website, but those are nice. Can't you see those in a nice pair of earrings? These are nice summer earrings. And then you have the Rise and Shine resin focal beads. These ones, they say they're red. They're kind of orangish color. Very cute. I got two of those because I could see making those a couple pairs of earrings, one of them of which I will keep and not sell. And then ombre trio bead strands in orange cream. These are cute beads, and you can definitely see orange cream, like a creamsicle. That's what it looks like, with some beautiful tube beads, right? And this crackle, creamy, white, cloudy bead where you can see the orange in the inside of it. It's super pretty. And then the ombre trio bead strands in high tide. Again, I didn't get enough. I really wish I had gotten more of these, and more of these for sure. And, you know, I don't know what it is about beads. They just get you so obsessed and addicted. The sizes, the shapes, the colors, just the beauty. With all that's rotten in the world right now, I shouldn't say that. With all that's rotten in the world right now, it's just a lovely treat to go and play around with your beads and escape for a little while. Anyway, but I just wanted to share that really quickly. This is my haul, I would say, from Jessie James Beads. I do see that I need to go and get some more beads. Thanks, Jessie, or James, or both. And Sarah James, I know you're over there. Just so happens I noticed that on my last mystery box, I had these, and so they match perfectly with this whole haul right here, even though they weren't together. So I think I might be able to do something with these. These came out of the magical mystery box. But I think I might be able to incorporate some of that with this haul that I've got here. So I just wanted to share that with you really quickly. If you're interested in buying anything from Jessie James Beads, go to www, if we still use that, jessiejamesbeads.com, and check it out. I am not an affiliate. I get nothing by promoting it, but it's just a great place to shop for your beads. They always have some really unique and well crafted or curated collections there that you'll love. So go check them out. I love them. You'll love them. With that, go on and have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm going to get used to saying that. Thanks so much, y'all. Have a great one.